Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive right into setting up a language learning tracker in Airtable, the 2025 guide. Starting off, you want to open Airtable and click on Add a Base. This is the foundation of your tracker. Now that we've done that, select Start from Scratch. This gives us a clean slate and maximum control over our tracker. Moving on, rename your base to Language Learning Tracker. This helps us because it makes our base easily identifiable. Next up, you're going to add 3 tables: words, phrases, and progress. Each table will serve a specific purpose: words for vocabulary, phrases for commonly used sentences, and progress to track your learning journey. Now let's move on to fields. In the words table, you want to create fields for word, translation, date learned, and proficiency level. This helps us record and track our progress with each new word we learn. Similarly, in the phrases table, add fields for phrase, translation, usage context, and proficiency level. This gives us a more comprehensive understanding of how and when to use these phrases. Now comes the progress table. Here, add fields for date, time spent learning, new words learned, and new phrases learned. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of our daily learning schedule and achievements. Lastly, as you start learning, fill in these tables regularly. This is what makes your tracker a living, breathing document of your language learning journey. Consistency is key in language learning, and this tracker is designed to support that. And there you have it, a language learning tracker set up in Airtable. This tool will provide you with a clear roadmap and keep you motivated in your language learning journey. Thanks for tuning in, and happy language learning.